Hi everyone, welcome to the Planner Spot. I'm Sam and today I'm going to show you around our office space. So our workspace is set up on the side of our living room area. So I wanted to show you guys an overview of how the space looks, and then I'll tell you in more detail how each area is set up. So starting from here, this is like our TV, so this is like the living room side, and then from here on is our office side. So we have some storage down here. This whole area here is the fulfillment area, which my husband does all the fulfillment. This is his desk area, and he also does all the printing and cutting, which is this station here. And then my area is over here. I'm in charge of all the inserts, and here's where I do all the design, content creation, and stuff like that. So I'll start here at the beginning. Like I said, this is our TV, and this whole side of the room is our living room area. And this section starts our fulfillment area. So on the side I have some cute little things there for decoration, but this is where we keep all our vellum. We're running low on some stock, but all the current vellum is here. And then down below in these bins are like our storage. And then here is all our inventory. So in these black boxes, we have a bunch of expanding files, and this is where we keep all our stickers. So here we have them all labeled with like SKU numbers, and inside are all the stickers. So we have mini icons, more mini icons, more mini icons. Then we have regular size standard icons. My husband just printed these all out, so he's sorting them, but we have more icons. We have doodles, so I could tell by the SKU numbers what they are, even though I can't see inside. These are transparent stickers. And then we have more transparent and functional back here. Up here in this bin, we have all our monthly kits. Here we have the mini transparent stickers. And here we have some miscellaneous stickers that he's just putting in files, but we had to put them in somewhere in here. We have more stickers that we need to create files for our freebies. And then down below, we have all the cello we use. Here's our planner cards. So these are in little bins I got at Daiso. These plastic bins I got at Target, but I never see them anymore, and also Bed Bath & Beyond. We keep a little clipboard here for all those annoying cello strips. But this is a place where we're going to keep some sticky notes that are coming. Some more sticky notes here, all our sticky notes. Then down below we have some more of our stationery pouches, our sticker albums. This is an empty space for some product coming, extra stock, some other product that's coming. We have some prints, our beautiful prints that my husband's artwork is on. A space for some more washi that's coming. Journals, extra washi, more washi, all our buttons. And then down there are all our oops and de-stash that we use for our grab bags. And then this little cord sticking out is actually for this, which is an air purifier, because those of you who cut stickers know that there's little dust stuff flying in the air all the time. So that's our fulfillment area. And then this is my husband's desk. He's like right in between the fulfillment and then the production, the quote-unquote production area. So this is where we print stickers. So our two printers there, some sticker paper down below, and our other printer for invoices and labels. And then right now we're down to 4 cutters because we did have 6 and 2 broke down. So right now we're getting by on 4, which is okay for now. This little sorter thing is for all the stuff he's cutting, so he sorts it into this thing here with all our cutting mats there. So that ends his area, well actually besides this cutting board, because he cuts all the stickers on that cutting board. And then it goes into my area. So I have my vision board here where I'm putting together ideas for the current or next monthly subscription. So in order to make sure it flows well together and it's cohesive, I put on the board so I make sure everything looks good together. Then I have this paper sorter here, which has all our inserts. Actually, not all our inserts. We got a whole bunch new ones that I have to sort through and stuff. But this is where I keep all our inserts for when I fulfill orders. Then I have this little area here. So those two binders are actually our old kits, our archives. Let me just show you because I love them so much. Look at, this is my very first kit ever in 2017. January 2017. So I have like all the kits we've done since the beginning in these two binders. Then I have my Stology, which I started using for just like daily journaling. I just recently bought this gray journal from Michaels and I'm using that for ideas, like mainly for content. I have this filled with like little moleskin notebooks, which I use for memory keeping. Then I have this large moleskin notebook, which I use for like inspiration. And then I just got this spiral planner from Printpression. I was thinking of doing mock spreads in here using all my old planner kits. I thought that would be a cute way to keep them and have them in here for memories. Then here I have one of my acrylic drawers. In the top drawer, I keep stickers. So these are all our sticker kits from 2021 that I use in my own planning. And then I recently bought these Once More with Love sticker book. Those of you who follow me know that I do not use these kind of stickers, but they were so cute. Look at that sticker. That I couldn't resist it. One day I was like weak and I bought 2 of these sticker books and I plan to just use them just for fun here and there. I just think they're so cute. And then in this second drawer I have a couple of notepads and some sticky notes. All our sticky notes here that I use in my own planning and some decorative sticky notes there. And then in the bottom drawer I have washi. So I have my Simply Gilded washi that I never use. I don't know what it is about washi. I love Simply Gilded washi, but I just hoard it. I just buy them and collect them and just keep them pretty on my desk. Back here I just have a little pouch and a clear acetate to keep the washi rolls from rolling back. So I just have one row of washi there. I also have some down below, which I'll show you in a minute. Then also on my desk, I have my stationery pouch with all my most used planning supplies in the front, the ones that I reach for multiple times a day. And inside I have my sticker pouch and my sticker album for my most used stickers. I also have some extra sticky notes and washi in here, so if I go to another room to plan, I can just grab this and I have everything I need, or if I go travel, I could just put all these things inside, zip it up, and pop it in my luggage, so super handy. Here's my computer setup. So I have my laptop on top of this acrylic stand. It's actually a drawer, and I think it might be a makeup drawer. I took out the drawer so I could have it open there and keep my iPad, phone, and AirPods there. I have my keyboard and my mouse. I always have my planner open next to me all day, every day, so I can check things off as I go. I always have my water there. I have this other acrylic drawer here, which is kind of empty right now, but this is what I'm using for like things that I need to take pictures of and film. So usually I would have new releases on the top drawer that I need to take photos for listings. The middle drawer is for planning, so when I do plan with me videos, which I just filmed one, that's why it's empty, because all my stuff is still on the filming table. And then the bottom one, I haven't really used it much, but I mean to use it for hauls. Like when I buy stuff from other shops and I want to share it with you guys, I'll keep it in that bottom drawer until I'm ready to film. And then I just have my little crystal there. There was a time my girls were really into crystals and they always wanted to go to crystal shops, so I ended up picking myself up this rose quartz because I thought it was super pretty. I don't really use crystals in the way I know a lot of you guys use it. I mainly use it for aesthetics and as a paperweight. So that's the top of my desk, and I wanted to show you guys inside the drawers. So I have these dupe Alex drawers from Michaels. They work perfectly fine and I saved myself some money. So in this top drawer is kind of like, these are the planner supplies that my family is allowed to use, like the communal drawer of pens and binder clips and sticky notes and stuff like that. So that's in the top drawer. All of these plastic bins are from Target, either Target or Daiso. These ones are from Target. And then the drawers down below are off limits to the rest of my family. So this drawer has my supplies in it. So it has all my favorite pens and markers, some other stationery stuff like roller adhesive, correction tape, extra scissors. I have some push pins back there, an extra blade for the machine for my special projects, some extra washi tape there, and then I have my collection of paper clips, some pen loops down below. Yeah, so that's my stash that's off limits to everyone else. In the third drawer, I have my inbox. I turned it over because it has private information, but basically just like paperwork and stuff. I also have my electronics here, my hard drive, tripod attachments, and stuff like that. In the fourth drawer, I just have my label maker, my paper cutter for my own personal projects, a scale, and a light that I use when I'm cutting stuff so I can see the cut lines better. And then in the last drawer are all my hole punches. So I have disc bound, A5, personal size, A6 size, and pocket size, and I have an extra personal size back there because this one's starting to break. And then here in a side hallway, we have like our quote-unquote stock room. So we have some extra product that's coming out next month, some storage bins and bags for when we're packing subs, some more product here that's coming out this month, some more product there that's coming out this month. Here down below we have the rest of those inserts that I still have to sort through, as well as some extra product for grab bags later on this month. And we have extra stock here, sticker paper, cello, and mailers. So yeah, that's it. That is our office space, TPS headquarters. I was really excited to be able to share this finally with you guys. I'm never home alone. We have a house full of people and there's always noise and people walking by. And this is the first time in like months and months where I've ever been home alone. So I jumped at the chance to share this space with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about anything you saw, any organization ideas, leave your questions in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.